Welcome to Sacred Art High School. We are going to continue with the same chapter in science, lesson number 14, part B, measurement and effects of heat. We are going to learn thermometer, specific heat, calorimeter, and expansion of solids, liquids, and gases. Let's start with thermometer. Children, thermometer has a narrow glass tube which has bulb at one end. The bulb and the part of the tube is filled with a liquid. Earlier mercury was used, but as it is harmful for us, it has been replaced with alcohol. The rest of the volume of the tube has vacuum and its other end is closed. The bulb is in contact with the object whose temperature is to be measured so that temperature becomes same as that of the object. Because of the increased temperature, the alcohol inside it expands and its level in the tube rises. Using the property of the expansion of alcohol, the temperature can be obtained from the level of the alcohol. The tube of the thermometer is marked accordingly. Figure B is a clinical thermometer. As the temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius, clinical thermometers are designed to measure the temperatures between 35 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius. These days, instead of the above type, digital thermometers are used for clinical purposes. Figure C represents digital thermometer. This does not use the expansion of liquid due to heat. Instead, it has a sensor which can measure the heat coming out from the body directly, and that can measure the temperature of the body. The thermometers used in the laboratory are similar to the one in figure A, except that the range of temperatures that it can measure is large, spanning 40 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius or even larger. A special type of thermometer is used to measure the minimum and maximum temperatures in a day. It is called maximum minimum thermometer. Specific heat. The specific heat of an object is the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of unit mass of that substance through 1 degree. It is represented by the symbol C. Calorimeter. A calorimeter is used to measure the heat content of an object. Using this equipment, we can measure the heat produced or absorbed in a physical or chemical process. It is similar to a thermoflask. A calorimeter has two vessels, an inner and an outer one. This way, no heat can be transferred from inner to the outer vessel or from the outer to the inner vessel. Thus, the inner vessel is thermally isolated from the surrounding. The inner vessel is made up of copper, a thermometer for measuring the temperature, and the stirrer for stirring the liquid in the calorimeter are fitted in it. Expansions of solids are linear expansions. The linear expansion of a solid is the increase in length of a wire or a rod of a solid due to increase in its temperature. Areal expansion of solids. Similar to linear expansion, the area of a sheet of a solid material also increases on heating. This is called the areal expansion of solids. Volumetric expansion of solids. Similar to a sheet, a three-dimensional piece of solid expands on all sides when heated and its volume increases. This is called the volumetric expansion of a solid. Expansion of liquids. A liquid does not have a definite shape, but it has a definite volume. Expansion of gases. A gas does not even have a fixed volume. Gas expands on heating, but if the gas is kept in a closed box, its volume cannot increase, but its pressure increases. Thank you.